Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Phantom Wallet app crashing instantly or showing a connection error because you have a VPN running on your iPhone? Here is the 20-second fix from settings. Phantom Wallet can conflict with active VPN connections as a part of its security design. If any VPN is active on your iPhone, even one running quietly in the background, Phantom may crash, refuse to load, or show a connection error every time you try to open it. Go to your settings app, scroll down to general, then scroll down until you see VPN and device management. Now, once you find it, tap on it. Then, look at the VPN section at the top. If any VPN shows as connected status or active indicator, tap on it and then tap disconnected or toggle it off. After that, go back to the main screen and then look for any VPN app that you have installed. NordVPN, ExpressVPN, SurfShark, ProtonVPN or similar. Open that app and make sure that it is fully disconnected, not just paused. Once all VPNs are fully off, open Phantom and it will connect normally. So all you've got to do is go to settings in general, then VPN and device management, disconnect anything active, also fully disconnect your VPN app. Phantom Wallet will work properly and that's it. Subscribe.